Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2010 Chevy Silverado. Going to start our walk around on the driver's side. First thing you're going to notice, nice lift kit, matching over fenders. Take a look at those tires. Still have some good tread left there. Aftermarket wheels. Just going to be looking for any imperfections. Little bit of fading in some of the trim. Couple little spots there. As we get around to the back of the truck, trailer tow is included. Nice sharp silver paint color. Inside the truck now you get some power, multiple adjustments for the driver's seats, and nice black leather seating. 134,718 is your current mileage. AM, FM, satellite radio, all your climate control functionality just below there. It is just a push button 4-wheel drive. This model is a 5-passenger arrangement. You get a lot of additional storage in the center console there. All the flooring is going to be black to match the seats. In the back seat now, just take a nice slow pan over the seating surface. No scratching, no rips, no tears back here. One additional power port. Then these seats are 60-40 split, so you do get that additional storage space. Full spray-in bed liner. Coming in from the passenger side now, just taking one more look around. There is an integrated armrest back here for added comfort. Wrapping up on the passenger side, passenger gets some power, multiple adjustments as well as the driver. One more look over the seating surface. One more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2010 Chevy Silverado.